So good morning. Back in the candle workshop today, making candles for the market this weekend again. I just wanted to do a quick explanatory video as to what candles I make, because I get asked for a catalog quite a lot, and it's not enough to put on a catalog yet. There's many different designs on the bowls. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm just going to quickly show you the different designs on the bowl. Got many. These are the medium ones here, and this would then be a large. It's approximately these big ones is approximately double the medium in volume of wax. So you can see there's a lot of different designs. So what I'll do, if I get a order online, I will send pictures of the bowls that I have available so that you can decide which one you want. Then when they are done, you can also purchase the refills online. This is the medium refill and this is the large refill. So you just cut that open and pop it back into your bowl and carry on. And then I do the cement candles as well. This is actually where I started, and I had a much bigger range. I decided to bring back only this one. It was the best seller anyway. This one is not refillable, but it does come in all 4 of my fragrances. And just fragrances are sandalwood, which is a lovely soft fragrance in the home. Then I've got floral, which is a sharper fragrance, but it's the best seller. It's a mixture of rose and geranium. Then I've got vanilla and cinnamon bark, and I've got a bug away, or on the cement candles the sticker will say lavender and peppermint, because it's a mixture of lavender, peppermint and citronella. It smells lovely, but it also keeps the bugs away. So you can order online either a cement candle, which is then not refillable, or you can order the bowls. And don't worry, I won't send you a random bowl. I'll first ask you which one you would prefer. Okay, thanks. See you on Saturday at Pretoria Boeremark.